This exercise is called single leg squat. This exercise is to train the stability in your hips for better walking and ease of lower back pain and knee pain. You need a block for this one. You can also use your stairs or some books. Standing on your block, keep your hips, your hip bones level. The hip bones are the two bones in front of your pelvis, and when you try to palpate, touch your pelvis, you should be able to find them and feel them. So keep them level across your pelvis, and you bend your knee, and then you stretch your leg. Okay? Now, details. When you stand on your block, make sure that you have half of your weight on your heel bone, which is this part of your foot, and then the other half of your weight should be distributed across the forefoot, more of that half on the big toe and second toe side. Okay, I'll say that again. Half of your weight on your heel, half across the ball of your foot, more on the big toe side and the second toe side. Okay, we're going to try this again. Now, when you're bending and stretching your leg, you want your knee and your toes to look straight ahead. Best to do this in front of your mirror so that you can check your form. What can go wrong in this one is that your knees start to buckle inwards and your foot start to roll, and this hip start to go out to the side. This is such a common pattern when we don't have sufficient support from the hips, and so the knee will have to compensate by rolling inwards, and so as your foot. Okay? So as your foot. Yeah? So this hip has to stay under you, this knee and that foot the same. They have to be under that side of your body. Okay? You don't have to bend very low, but watch your form. Watch when you start to do this, you stop. And you have to make sure that you bring everything back to alignment. Okay? If you have any knee problem or knee pain, do not go so far down. You stop before the pain. Okay? Yeah? And the other cue I have for you is that think of pulling the instep, the inner side of your foot, the inner side of your lower leg, and your inner thigh up towards you as you bend, because that is going to prevent you from collapsing. Okay? You're going to lift the inner side of your foot and check with your foot, the weight on your foot again. Half your weight on your heel, half on the ball of your foot, with more weight on the big toe side and second toe side of your foot. You have to be mindful is that the surface that you stand on has to be solid. Okay? And then you repeat the other leg. It's very common that one of your legs will do much better than the other. Now, the weaker leg should be the one that you practice more. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped you. See you next time. Bye.